Let me ask you something. Do you ever get some of your best ideas somewhere other than at your desk? Ever get a brilliant game-changing idea while walking the dog, or driving home from work, or when out at a restaurant? Personally, my best ideas always seem to come to me in the shower. Ever sit down at your desk knowing you had this ingenious epiphany, only to not remember what it was by the time you get a chance to write it down? Just like that, it's gone. It's so easy to lose good information, it's scary. Your company's data works the same way. If your computer guy told you that you might need to replace your client database or rebuild your business plan, you'd want to wring their neck. And for good reason. That information is irreplaceable. Yet we see local businesses that are running without a tested backup solution all the time. As an IT guy, it makes me crazy, and I hope it's keeping business owners like you up at night. Data backup doesn't need to be a luxury that only larger businesses have. It's a necessity for anyone who takes their data seriously. Our Backup and Disaster Recovery Solution, or BDR, takes automated backups of your data as frequently as every 15 minutes and stores the data securely off-site to protect you from every type of disaster, ranging from hard drive failure to user error to, God forbid, floods or fires. The BDR is designed to keep you from experiencing downtime as well. If your server goes down, the BDR can assume the role of your server while repairs are made, and even makes it much faster for technicians to restore your server in the event it needs replacing. Don't lose another irreplaceable idea, and don't spend another sleepless night worrying about your data. Reach out to Genely to talk about the best solutions available for your business and your budget.